Welcome back to the channel.
Today we're gonna go check out Moana's Journey of Water.
If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe.
Let's go.
Alright, Journey of Water. Journey of Water. This is an important lesson, kids. Remember that. What you doing?
I'm gonna touch the strings of water to make it really strong. On a very, very hot day, I can see how this would be fun. But it is actively raining right now, so it's kind of interesting playing with water.
Continue around the journey of water. We're now to rain to stream. What'd you say?
So I guess at some points you can't actually interact with it, but I don't know if maybe like your magic band sets it off or. But it says water's not feeling playful right now.
It does some things.
A little bit, right? And then if you go higher.
Fancy. Heading from the stream to the wetland. Testing out the wet path. So the wet path has a little like stream that runs through it. It's not very deep at all. Now we make it to the super ring.
All wet.
So after the stream, we head to the land. So there's the dry path.
Go to the other side.
They have the heart of Tafiti hidden all around the exhibit. After the lake, we go back to the river. Everything runs back to the ocean. Wow, look at them all go.
Again, jump high. Jump back and jump. Jump back and jump. Come back.
A little water feature. It's the crab guy. Bling bling.
Shiny.
I like they have the little tiki guys hanging out up here. And the last zone is the sky. As you exit, got some steam. Alright, that concludes our short video on the Moana's Journey of Water. What'd you think, Nicey?
I liked it. Is it a D attraction? No, but it's cute and it's interactive. And honestly, on a really hot day, I can see how that would be really popular. And it's got more to it than I thought it did.
Yeah, it's a cute little water exhibit. It's kind of neat, the different features you can get off the water. Our Magic Band Pluses, you can't see it's under the jacket, but we're beeping the majority of the end of it at least. They started going off. And again, I have no idea why, but they did, so that was kind of neat.
But yeah, I think you guys should definitely check it out. If you're trying to figure out where it is, it's like over by the seas with Nemo. So when you're coming in the park, if you come into that first side section, you'll be really close to it. If you're anywhere else in the park, it's going to take you a minute to walk over here with all the construction that's currently going on.
Yeah, that is for sure true. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye, everybody.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach with our friends.